Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the 2014 Nobel Prize in Physics. I chose this topic because it shows how a scientific breakthrough can directly improve our daily lives. The prize was awarded for the invention of efficient blue light-emitting diodes, or blue LEDs. Light-emitting diodes were already known, but creating blue light was very difficult. Red and green LEDs had been developed earlier, but without blue light, it was impossible to produce white light efficiently. The invention of blue LEDs solved this problem. By combining red, green, and blue light, scientists were able to create bright white light. This led to the development of energy-efficient lighting systems. Compared to traditional light bulbs, LED lighting consumes much less energy and lasts much longer. This discovery has had a significant impact on society. It has reduced energy consumption worldwide and contributed to environmental protection. It is also widely used in displays, smartphones, and televisions. I find this discovery very interesting because it shows how fundamental research can lead to practical applications. It also demonstrates the importance of persistence in scientific research. For many years, scientists struggled to develop blue LEDs, but they did not give up. In the future, this technology may continue to evolve and improve energy efficiency even further. Even though this topic may seem simple, it gives us an important message. Innovation can transform everyday life. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the 2014 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. I chose this topic because it shows how scientists overcame a fundamental limitation in observing the microscopic world. The prize was awarded for the development of super-resolved fluorescence microscopy. For a long time, scientists believed that optical microscopes had a fixed resolution limit. This limit, known as the diffraction limit, prevented researchers from observing structures smaller than about 200 nanometers. As a result, many important processes inside cells could not be seen clearly. However, this discovery broke that limitation. Scientists developed techniques that allow imaging beyond the diffraction limit. One method uses fluorescent molecules that can be switched on and off. By controlling these molecules and detecting their positions precisely, scientists can reconstruct high-resolution images. Another approach improves resolution by selectively activating small groups of molecules at a time. These techniques make it possible to observe structures at the nanoscale. This has greatly advanced biological research. Scientists can now observe how proteins interact inside living cells in real time. This discovery has opened new possibilities in medicine and life sciences. I find this discovery very fascinating because it shows that even fundamental limits can be overcome. It also teaches us that creative thinking can redefine what is possible. In the future, these techniques may become even more powerful and widely used. Even though this topic may seem technical, it gives us an important message. Limits are not always absolute. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the 2014 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine. I chose this topic because it explains how the brain understands space and position. The prize was awarded for the discovery of cells that constitute a positioning system in the brain. For a long time, scientists wondered how humans and animals navigate their environment. How do we know where we are? And how do we find our way? This discovery provided an answer. Researchers identified specific types of nerve cells in the brain that are responsible for spatial awareness. One type is called place cells. These cells become active when an animal is in a specific location. Another type is called grid cells. These cells create a coordinate system that helps the brain map space. Together, these cells form an internal positioning system, similar to a GPS. This system allows us to understand our position and navigate through our surroundings. It also helps us remember locations and routes. This discovery has had a major impact on neuroscience. It has improved our understanding of memory and cognition. It is also related to diseases such as Alzheimer's, where spatial memory is affected. I find this discovery very fascinating because it shows that the brain contains an internal map of the world. It also teaches us that complex abilities can arise from simple cellular mechanisms. In the future, this research may lead to better treatments for brain disorders. Even though this topic may seem abstract, it gives us an important message. Understanding space is essential for understanding ourselves. Thank you.